So hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Python Basics series. This is part 2 of Python Basics, that is fundamental. On part of fundamental, here we are going to talk about the Python keywords. Keywords are the reserved words to be used along in the Python programming. And to get a concept of it is, for example, when you are defining a function in Python, you use the def keyword. Python, I say recursive like that. Where you are defining a function. So the def is a keyword used to define a function. So you can get the most of the keywords, the list of the keywords used in Python. Import keyword, so we can print them. Let's print the keyword list. Keyword list. Let's print them. So Python keyword keywords.py. So these are some of the keywords used in Python. For example, I explained on force. Force is a Boolean type uses truth values to represent force. I'm not going to explain all of them, but you will encounter them in this series. You can encounter almost all of them in this series. So you can understand what force is. For example, when you're defining for example, you want to say true represents a value greater than or equal to 1. For example, if we say x is equals to 1, that's true because the value of x is greater than or equal to 1. If the value of y is equals to 0, that's like saying false. So true is like 1 or greater than 1. False is 0 or a number that's less than 1. That's false. We will use them. I assure you we will use almost all of them. For example, import. Import is a keyword. You see it here. So to import a module in Python, you use the word import or the keyword import. So that's a reserved keyword. You will go ahead use like and whenever you are doing the conditional expressions or the logical operations. Whenever you are creating the control flow, you use the elif, if. So I'm assuring you will encounter these keywords along the way. So that's why you are saying whenever you are creating a variable name, ensure you don't use the reserved words or the keywords in your program. So that's the part of the keywords. Don't worry about them. You don't have to master these all of them, but of course you understand how each and every keyword in Python is used. So you don't have to master the keywords in Python. No, just get into flow. You will understand them along the way. For example, you will understand import is used to import a module. Whenever I want to define a function, I will use the def keyword. Whenever I want to delete something, maybe a list or a string, maybe I will use the det, meaning delete. When we are to talk about the control flow, we will use the if, elif, else, like that. So you don't have to master them, but you will understand them along the way. That's how you will master them. You don't have to pre-read, try to understand. We have a false keyword, we have a non keyword. No, you definitely have to get into flow, and they will stick into your mind without you knowing. That's all for Python keywords, and thank you for watching the video. Thank you.